Hollywood, Hollywood, oh how I fucking love you. I cannot seem to break through from this curse that I've been stuck to. I came in as a little man, but now my fucking nuts grew. Today's the day I ties are finally cut loose. Fuck you. Uh-oh, it's my trifling ass. Pulling up like high guys are back. Goddamn nigga, I'm so up that I can't get down. Gotta skydive from that. Won't see the day I might relax. I ain't never been a nice guy. In fact, y'all wishing I would try nice rap. Sorry, I ain't got the right mind for that. Look how cold he is pimping, just like HOV is y'all and beyond. Saving my rhymes, stay inappropriate. This is just how my show begins. If you hatin', come blow me, then fuck you, here's some petroleum. Give me my clock, you owe me. Niggas better duck and rough cover like it's fucking Iraq. Stand down, nigga. I'm pouring liquor for your ass, you ain't even die yet. Oh no, I've been headed up the ladder long enough, it's time I hit the climax. Your career's going bye-bye, it's ironic you don't got a bypass. Niggas know that I've been ill, man, the whole time that I've been here. I done made a fortune like 10 mil from the paper lines that my pen fills. And if I don't spend it, my kids will. I'm low-key, but a big deal. Hoes see me and they freeze up, that's why they all on my dick still. They tell me I'm too hostile, I am Picasso. Bitches like remember me from high school. Nah, ho, came up in this shit, killing niggas with the high flow. Y'all ain't got a fucking thing on hot. Whoa!
Boy, you better rock slow. Who am I? I'm Picasso. Take the high road, ASAP, cause I ain't liable for no nigga. No, my fucking head is in the cosmos. Got it locked though. Bitch, I'm Pablo Picasso.
I've been told the new game plans to make bullshit for the new age fans. That you can't pop unless you take Xans and flex on the gram like you do make bands. What? Oh no. They like fuck boom bap rap, you can't win. Say that shit for the Wu-Tang Clan, that's when I bust in like the Kool-Aid man. Look, I ain't the nigga who pulling up trying to get shine by how much the rollie glow. I'm here to rain on parades, my sinister ways to fuck up the rodeo. I do my shows and hoes be losing control like I was the Holy Ghost. When I deliver the penis, it lies in the mouth, she call it Pinocchio. Man, who want war with me? Bitch, I torture beats. I've been born to be, still I abhor them seats. Oh, so horribly, dog your corpse to be right on the floor with these feet that I stomp you out with. This my house, bitch, you can't afford the lease. Watch out. Fuck all the Hollywood shit, over half and you not even lit, though we riding my dick. I got no problem with this, it come through when your body gets hit, I can hardly resist. Nigga, my hobby is pissing on anyone I can defend. I got no friends, whoever thinking they hot, go and tell them nobody's convinced. They tell me I'm too hostile, I am Picasso. Bitches like remember me from high school. Nah, ho, came up in this shit, killing niggas with the high flow. Y'all ain't got a fucking thing on hot.
Whoa, boy, you better rock slow. Who am I? I'm Picasso. Take the high road, ASAP, cause I ain't liable for no nigga. No, my fucking head is in the cosmos. Got it locked though. Bitch, I'm Pablo Picasso. Rock slow. Who am I? I'm Picasso. Take the high road, ASAP, cause I ain't liable for no nigga. No, my fucking head is in the cosmos. Got it locked though. Bitch, I'm Pablo Picasso.